It started with a mysterious name. No face, no country, no identity, just a 9-page document. And what followed? A digital revolution that shook the world's financial systems to their core. This is the history of Bitcoin, from zero to a $1 trillion disruption. The year was 2008. While banks were collapsing and people were losing homes, one anonymous figure, or perhaps a group, known only as Satoshi Nakamoto, uploaded a white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. No banks, no middlemen, just you and me, sending money over the internet. Secure, decentralized, borderless. The idea? Financial freedom in the form of code. On January 3, 2009, Bitcoin was born. The first block of the Bitcoin blockchain, known as the Genesis block, was mined. It even contained a secret message. The Times, January 3, 2009, Chancellor on brink of second bailout for banks. A not-so-subtle jab at the broken banking system. Bitcoin wasn't just code, it was a protest, a rebellion in digital form. In 2010, a man named Laszlo Hanyecz made history. He paid 10,000 Bitcoin for 2 pizzas. At the time, worth about $41. Today, that would be hundreds of millions of dollars. This became known as Bitcoin Pizza Day, a legendary moment that marked the first real-world transaction using Bitcoin. But it wasn't all sunshine and pizzas. In the early 2010s, Bitcoin got linked with the Silk Road, a dark web marketplace. Suddenly, Bitcoin was the currency of the internet's underworld. Governments cracked down, Silk Road shut down, Bitcoin's reputation took a hit, but the technology, it survived, and the believers, they doubled down. By 2017, the world was paying attention. Bitcoin skyrocketed to $20,000. The media went wild. Your barber was talking crypto. Your grandma asked about blockchain, and with it came the boom and the inevitable bust. The price crashed. Skeptics cheered, but the seed had been planted. Bitcoin was no longer a joke, it was a movement. Fast forward to 2020, 2021. Something changed. Big players entered the game. Tesla bought Bitcoin. PayPal enabled crypto transactions. Wall Street wasn't laughing anymore, they were investing. Bitcoin hit over $1 trillion in market cap, from an idea on a forum to a global asset class. Today, Bitcoin is more than price charts. It's about sovereignty, access, censorship resistance. In places with hyperinflation or dictatorship, Bitcoin can mean survival. It's also about the right to own your money. In a world where currencies can be printed at will and bank accounts can be frozen, Bitcoin offers a radical alternative. Digital ownership without permission. El Salvador made it legal tender. Other nations are watching closely. Some say it's the future. Others call it a dangerous gamble.